Today we're going to be working on this Samsung side-by-side. The model number is on the display. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. The complaint that we have with this Samsung side-by-side refrigerator is that it's not getting any ice. However, we are getting water, and that means the water valve, water pressure, filter housing, and filter is fine. So we're going to go ahead and press this reset button, and it should reset the ice maker. If it goes through the cycle and it gives you water, it might start working again. However, if you press this button and hold it for 3 seconds and it doesn't do anything, that means your ice maker needs to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and start by removing the 2 Phillips screws that holds the ice maker in place. This is the box. This is the part number. You can find a link in the description of this video if you want to order it right away from this link. Go ahead and go to the description of this video, and there is the part number. Again, we're gonna go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips screws that holds the ice maker in place. You gotta excuse my camera. I was using a very fluorescent, very bright LED light, and it was making my camera doing that, so I have to stop using that flashlight because it was doing that to my camera, and I apologize for this footage in this video. After we remove the 2 Phillips screws, we're gonna go ahead and push it down a little, like 1/2 inch, and then pull it towards us. This is a male to a female connection. There's the male, there's where it should be when you pull it out. Now we're gonna go ahead and press and release this harness. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in slow motion. That way you guys see exactly where I'm pressing and where it should be releasing from, and it should come right out. So we're gonna go ahead and put the ice maker to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and open our new ice maker box to be able to have access to our new ice maker. There is the new ice maker, and here is the old ice maker. Just trying to see if it's the same exact ice maker, and it looked like it is. That's how it should turn when it goes through the cycle, but it wasn't doing anything at all. Sometimes it breaks from that tip right there, but we're gonna go ahead and install our new ice maker, and we're gonna go ahead and press the reset button. That way you guys see how it should be acting when you press that reset button, and the ice maker is fine. So go ahead and clip the new ice maker in place. You will hear a clip when it clips in place. If you don't hear the clip, the harness must be not connected all the way. There is the male to female tabs connection where the ice maker is held in the back, and go ahead and push it in until it fits in place. Just follow the video and you will be able to do this repair by yourself. There's the first Phillips screws, and there is the second one. Go ahead and sometimes use a screwdriver or a drill, however you want. Press the button, hold it for 3 seconds, and it should go through the cycle like so, and then it should give you water, and that's how it's supposed to be acting when you press the reset button. At this point, we're pretty much done. We're gonna go ahead and put our bucket, our ice bucket, and make sure it sits in place correctly. Once you got it in place, go ahead and clean whatever mess you have done. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.